Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I make a sandwich for lunch at work. You start with 2 pieces of sourdough bread. I like the Seattle sourdough. It's got a very good sour flavor. And then you grab the massive tub of peanut butter, and then you just make a peanut butter sandwich with lots of peanut butter. It's kind of a two-hand operation, sorry. In fact, it's so much of a two-hand operation, I'm actually going to have to put a big one in here. So again, yeah, oh, okay, really getting it on there. Okay, I think that's about enough peanut butter, right? And then you just kind of, I can't do this with, there we go. Get a nice thick layer of peanut butter all over it. Yeah, it's like a half-inch layer of peanut butter. It's the only thing going on there, so that's fine. Clean enough. Lid goes on, ascends back to its spot. And the sandwich is basically done at this point. Finely crafted, pretty gourmet. I'll get to the actual consumption of it later tomorrow at lunch. Alright, so we got our peanut butter sandwich. It is close enough to lunchtime. I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat the sandwich now. Tastes like peanut butter and sourdough bread, which is a great combo. Let me get my water here. One thing about the sandwich is that it's a little dry. It gets much better with water, especially because when you add water to the sourdough, it actually brings out the sour in the sourdough more. So, you know, you get more flavor. Good. It's damn good. Just two simple ingredients. Well, one ingredient and one, you know, holding device, which I'd count as an ingredient since it adds a lot to the taste. If you're feeling especially fancy, you can add in some honey, but I'm just going with the simple because it's just good. It's a nice day today too. At least for the first bit of it, there was actual cloud cover over the sky, which was like, yes. Because out here in Oregon, I'm used to, you know, rain all winter long, and the spring, and the fall. And then the summer comes around, and it's just unbearably hot all the time. Now for me, unbearably hot is about 80 degrees. That's the point at which I go, man, this is awful. And we've been riding on 80. It's kind of been swinging up and down. You know, some days it was 90, some days it was 80. We had a week, a couple weeks back, it was like 90 for a whole week. I like to, if I have a choice, I like the temperature of the house at a nice cool, like 62, maybe 60. But my mom, she likes to sleep hot, or at least hotter. And so that's why the thermostat's up at 70. It literally, during times of the day, well, during the times of the night, it gets cooler outside than it gets inside in the dead of summer. So yeah. If you pack too much peanut butter in there sometimes, it gets kind of caught in the beard, which is a bit annoying. Oh, you know what? The audio is probably coming through here, isn't it? I probably just blew out your guys' headphones. Whoops. So simple, so good. Yeah, when you make the sandwich the day before, like I did, even if you seal it up in a Ziploc, the bread still ends up kind of stale, which isn't great. I'd assume it'd get better if I were to construct it in the morning. But yeah, here we are. Delicious. I don't think you guys are ready for two food-related videos so soon together, so close together. So I'm definitely going to throw this one out like a week or so in the future. News at the time, the FBI is getting weaponized against Trump. That's exciting. Really, it makes me so optimistic about the future of the country. Anyway, see ya.